The first innovation takes us back to the foundation, literally. Here we see a side-by-side comparison, traditional masonry versus modern adhesive block construction. For centuries, bricklayers relied on thick mortar joints, each layer demanding time, skill, and precision. But adhesive block systems changed the rules. Instead of bulky mortar, a thin, high-strength glue creates a flawless bond between blocks. The walls rise straighter, cleaner, and much faster, with less material, less waste, and far fewer mistakes. It's a quiet revolution that saves hours of work and improves structural accuracy. This is how tradition meets technology, efficiency without compromise. Demolition doesn't have to be violent. BETONAMIT introduces a safe, silent way to split stone and concrete. No noise, no vibration, no explosives. A simple chemical reaction does the heavy lifting. Drill a few holes, pour in the mixture, and wait. As the compound expands, it exerts immense pressure, cracking even the toughest material from within. The result? Controlled demolition in sensitive areas, near homes, hospitals, or historical sites, with zero risk. This innovation proves that true power doesn't always make noise. In Latvia, modern craftsmanship takes a new form. Ecsoen demonstrates how sustainable design and prefabrication come together to create efficient, durable homes. Every wall, panel, and joint is pre-engineered for a perfect fit, reducing on-site waste and speeding up assembly. These homes aren't just built, they're crafted for the future. Better insulation means lower energy costs. Thoughtful materials mean healthier living spaces. And the precision of prefabrication ensures quality you can measure down to the millimeter. It's the art of home building, upgraded for the 21st century. Sometimes, strength hides beneath the surface. The POSA Intonaco Armato system from Italy shows how walls can gain lasting durability through reinforced plastering. A metallic mesh is embedded into the plaster, creating a strong yet flexible layer that resists cracking and seismic stress. In this second application phase, every movement is precise, spreading, bonding, and smoothing the reinforced surface into perfection. The result is a wall that looks beautiful, yet performs like armor. This is a blend of tradition and innovation, beauty strengthened by science.
Speed is the new luxury in modern construction. This terrace assembly shows how modular thinking saves time without sacrificing quality. Each component, frame, support, and surface fits together seamlessly, like an engineered puzzle. Forget concrete curing and long waits. These prefabricated systems snap into place in hours, not days. With smart leveling systems and adjustable bases, even complex outdoor projects become simple and precise. For builders and homeowners alike, this is the future of convenience in construction. Elegant, efficient, effortless.
Imagine lifting an entire house safely, evenly, and without cracking a single wall. ARROWLIFT makes it possible with its patented FailSafe hydraulic system. Each module communicates with precision sensors to distribute force evenly, raising massive structures with control and grace. Whether for foundation repair, flood mitigation, or full relocation, this system redefines what's possible in structural engineering. It's not just lifting houses, it's elevating standards. Strength, simplicity, and flexibility. The Betblok concrete system brings all three. These heavy-duty blocks interlock like giant Lego bricks, allowing quick assembly of retaining walls, barriers, or storage bays. No mortar, no curing, just solid, reusable modules that go up fast and stay strong. In an age of circular construction, reusability like this turns concrete into a sustainable material once again. Bridges carry the world's weight, literally. When they age, traditional repairs can take weeks of traffic disruption. hybrid polymer concrete changes the equation. Its ultra-fast curing formula bonds to existing structures within hours, restoring full strength almost immediately. This technology extends service life while cutting down time and costs. Proof that chemistry is rebuilding infrastructure from the inside out. In the vast world of industrial flooring, one critical challenge always surfaces: how to protect the edges of concrete slabs where movement, load, and wear converge every day. Erosion control often means heavy machinery and concrete slabs, but Earthlok takes a smarter route, a vegetated mat system that stabilizes soil while supporting natural growth. Installed among the Barwon River, it protects banks from floods and currents without harming the ecosystem. Strong when dry, flexible when wet. It's nature and engineering working in perfect harmony. Finally, we reach the next frontier of sustainable construction, CLT, or cross-laminated timber. Element Building showcases this material in action, assembling large structures with precision, speed, and warmth that only wood can offer. CLT panels are renewable, lightweight, and carbon-friendly, an answer to both environmental and architectural challenges. From farms to cities, timber construction is rewriting the story of modern building, one sustainable beam at a time. Concrete has always been the backbone of construction, but today it's getting smarter and faster. FasTrac structural Shotcrete is revolutionizing how we repair and strengthen structures. Unlike traditional pours, Shotcrete is sprayed under pressure, bonding instantly to existing surfaces. FasTrac's formula delivers superior adhesion, reduced rebound, and ultra-high early strength, making it perfect for tunnels, bridges, or vertical walls where formwork is impossible. Every nozzle spray is an act of precision, less waste, faster application, and a smoother finish that lasts decades. For engineers and builders, it's the future of concrete, reshaped by speed and science. Every skyline tells a story, and Harmon's curtain wall systems are what make those stories shine. In this segment, we watch glass and aluminum come together in a flawless dance of engineering. Each panel is lifted, aligned, and secured with laser precision, transforming steel frames into luminous facades. But curtain walls are more than beauty. They control temperature, reduce noise, and optimize natural light, turning massive structures into energy-efficient, comfortable spaces. Harmon's modular installation process ensures accuracy down to the millimeter, even across hundreds of feet. This is where design meets durability, the art of enclosing a building in brilliance. In less than a minute of footage, we witness what seems impossible, a home lifted entirely off the ground. Beneath that quiet motion lies days of careful planning and hydraulic coordination. Each jack moves in unison, each beam holds thousands of pounds, yet the result feels effortless. House raising is more than a structural feat. It's an act of preservation. It protects families from floods, saves historical buildings, and proves that innovation can quite literally elevate our way of living. Along the world's coasts, erosion is a constant battle. Elcorock offers a simple yet powerful solution: massive geotextile containers filled with sand. At 2.5 meters long, each one acts like a flexible, natural barrier against waves and tides. The process is precise: filling, compacting, and sealing to ensure durability even in harsh marine conditions. Once placed, these containers absorb impact energy instead of deflecting it, protecting beaches and infrastructure without the visual or ecological cost of concrete walls. It's coastal defense that works with nature, strong, adaptable, and sustainable. Precision on the ground defines everything that follows. Polymetaforms introduces a lightweight, reusable forming system that replaces heavy steel in single-use wood in curb and gutter construction. These polymer forms are flexible, durable, and easy to shape, ideal for tight curves or complex designs. Contractors can set, pour, and strip forms in a fraction of the usual time, with exact dimensions every time. The benefits ripple outward: lower labor costs, less material waste, and consistent, repeatable quality. It's one of those quiet innovations that change the workflow, making construction smarter from the ground up. In just 30 seconds, we see efficiency embodied. The Lammi MH200 block system simplifies masonry with interlocking design and thermal insulation built right in. No thick mortar joints, just precision stacking and adhesive bonding for airtight, energy-efficient walls. It's small innovations like these that bring massive results in comfort, strength, and sustainability. Roads connect our economies, our cities, our lives. In this clip, the choreography of modern roadwork comes to life. Graders, rollers, and asphalt machines working in harmony. Sensors and GPS control ensure perfect leveling. Polymer-modified asphalt enhances flexibility and longevity. Each layer is compacted for optimal density, turning raw material into durable pavement designed to withstand years of stress. Maintenance today is proactive, not reactive, with new materials extending service life and reducing carbon footprint. Because building a road is no longer just about asphalt, it's about efficiency, precision, and resilience. At the intersection of tradition and technology stands ECOrec, a rectified ceramic block redefining masonry. Manufactured by Ceramica San Pedro, these blocks feature laser-cut precision and perfectly flat surfaces. That means walls can be built with ultra-thin adhesive joints, saving mortar and maximizing insulation. The ceramic material offers thermal comfort, fire resistance, and acoustic control, a trio that modern living demands. More importantly, the production process itself is eco-friendly, using recycled materials and lower temperature firing. It's a beautiful return to clay, made smarter by science. Proof that the oldest building material on Earth can still lead the way into a sustainable future. Industrial floors endure constant stress, forklifts, heavy loads, and time. Terapro 250 brings the next generation of surface protection. This polyurethane resin system is designed for rapid application and long-term endurance, creating a seamless, chemical-resistant coating that outperforms traditional epoxy. It cures quickly, even at low temperatures, reducing downtime and keeping operations moving. The smooth, glossy surface resists abrasion, chemicals, and impact, making it ideal for warehouses, factories, or parking decks. With Terapro 250, durability meets design, and maintenance becomes a thing of the past. Above every room lies an unseen hero, the floor slab. The Terrace system introduces a smarter way to build them. Using hollow blocks and pre-stressed concrete beams, it creates a lightweight, load-bearing structure that's easy to install and highly efficient. The spaces between the blocks reduce material use and improve thermal performance, without compromising strength. Contractors love it because it's modular, adaptable, and fast. From residential to commercial projects, Terrace proves that innovation often lies not in what you see, but in what's beneath your feet. Bridges are lifelines, and their surfaces endure extreme stress every day. This hybrid polymer concrete overlay is engineered to extend their lifespan beyond expectations. Unlike conventional repair materials, this system bonds chemically and mechanically to the deck, creating a watertight, high-strength layer that resists cracking, corrosion, and thermal expansion. It's fast-curing, traffic-ready within hours, and resilient under both heat and cold. In projects across America, it's proving its worth, cutting closure time by 80% and extending service life by decades. This is infrastructure innovation done right. Fast, strong, and built to last. Beneath the busy A12 highway in Essex, a remarkable engineering feat takes place: the installation of massive DN 1500 jacking pipes. Manufactured by Tracy Concrete, these reinforced segments are designed to be pushed underground with hydraulic precision, forming tunnels without disrupting the surface above. Each pipe is perfectly aligned and sealed, creating a watertight conduit for utilities and drainage. This trenchless method saves time, minimizes environmental impact, and keeps traffic flowing. Proof that smart engineering doesn't always mean building up, sometimes it means building under.
And now, we arrive at one of the most exciting innovations in modern building, the Click Brick Recyclable System. Imagine a world where buildings can be assembled, disassembled, and rebuilt, without mortar, without waste. Click Brick makes that vision real. Each brick is designed with a precise interlocking mechanism, connecting firmly yet reversibly. No cement, no adhesive, just clean, mechanical precision. This means entire structures can be taken apart and reused elsewhere, brick by brick, wall by wall. For architects and developers, it opens new creative freedom, design flexibility with sustainability at its core. For the planet, it means less demolition waste, fewer carbon emissions, and a circular approach to construction that redefines what building means. In a time when resources are precious, Click Brick shows that progress doesn't have to leave a footprint. It can build a path toward renewal.
From the quiet strength of polymer concrete to the living flexibility of timber and the reusability of smart bricks, the future of construction is already here. Every invention, every detail, every beam and block is part of a bigger movement to build faster, cleaner, and more responsibly. We're no longer just shaping structures, we're shaping a sustainable tomorrow. And as technology and craftsmanship unite, one thing becomes clear. The future is not built, it's assembled, evolved, and inspired.